Hello and welcome to our CoolLED tutorial. In this video we will show you how to fit the 8-channel pE-800 to a Nikon Ti2 microscope. Once you unpack the components, insert the power connector from the DC power supply. At this stage, however, do not yet connect it to the mains. Light is delivered to the microscope via a 3mm liquid light guide. If you already have your own or you have ordered a new one with your pE-800, then insert the end of the liquid light guide into the light source and secure using the hex key provided. The light source is now ready to be connected to the microscope. For the standard configuration of the Nikon Ti2, there is just a single liquid light guide port. Simply insert the liquid light guide into the port and tighten the grub screw with the hex key. Thank you for watching this CoolLED tutorial video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.